Thank you for calling. This is Marissa speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, Marissa. This is Eddie Gomez. I'm a sergeant with West Covina PD. I understand you called and you want to speak to the watch commander.
Yes, please.
How can I help you?
I was calling because I'd like to make a complaint.
Okay. What kind of complaint?
So I was arrested and I was given felony charges over child endangerment. However, I have a CPS report that states complete opposite notations of what the officers had written down. Before I was arrested, they try to claim that they have evidence of me,
Hey.
the officers who arrested me. I don't have their names.
Okay.
They stated that they had me on video footage, which I said it's impossible because I was asleep. I asked if I can watch it with them, and instead they got angry and said, "No, I know you're a liar," and they arrested me instead. When I asked to speak with an attorney, she got upset and she said that she's going to make sure that my children are taken away from me. I also overheard them speaking about asking for watch commander approval to create a warrant to arrest my friend who's been letting me stay with him in his home. I'm in a little bit of a domestic violence situation. We've been homeless for the last 7 months. I've been doing my best to get my life back together with my children. So I overheard them explaining how they were going to get a fake warrant, or I don't know if it was a fake warrant, or I don't know what kind of warrant, but there was a warrant that was placed under my friend's name when there was no warrant. I can give you the jailer who took me in expressed that a watch commander can do this. I don't know how legal it is, but it was done.
A watch commander does not have authority to do the search warrant. It comes from a judge. Just so you understand how the court order or the warrant it works. We file the information with a judge. The judge reviews the information, and if he or she believes that there's enough evidence, they issue the warrant. That's up to the judge to issue the warrant. We just present the information. We don't issue warrants.
Correct.
The judges do.
Correct. So there was a non-warrant as a reason why he was taken in. The warrant never existed.
No, there was a warrant. That's why they arrested him.
Okay. I'll go along with that one. That's fine. So like I said, I have documents from CPS saying that there is not a concern. The children are they're well taken care of. There's no marks. There's nothing on them. Like I said, I requested an attorney and she declined that. She took my phone.
Did she ask you any questions?
She did, and I said that I'd like to speak with an attorney.
And did she ask you any questions after you said you want to speak to an attorney?
Yeah, she said, are you sure you don't want to speak with me right now? I don't remember. I can't give you verbatim exactly what she said.
Are you sure you want to stay with that statement? Because you know that is recorded.
That's fine. I'm also recorded as well. Like I said, I can't remember verbatim exactly what happened.
She was recording you at that time.
That's fine. That's completely fine.
So if you're saying that she made this up, then there's a recording saying that it's going to prove that you were right or that you were wrong. So you know what that'll happen when you go to court.
Okay, so like I said, I'd like to make a formal complaint about this. I don't know exactly what happened afterwards. I can't say.
What are you trying to complain on?
I'm trying to complain that she's stating that she's going to take my children away from me because I won't speak with her. I'm complaining.
So if you want to file a complaint on the detective, is that what you're saying?
Yes, I'd like to make a complaint on the detective.
Okay, there's a form that you have to pick up.
Perfect.
And then you can fill it out, and then you can file the report that way.
Perfect. Is there anything online for this that I can go ahead and do?
I think there is. You might want to check on there. I'm not sure because I'm a sergeant. I'm out in the field, but today I'm filling in for the lieutenant. But I'm pretty sure there's something in there.
Okay.
If not, we have the forms here.
Okay, and can I have something in documented writing to explain why my phones were taken into evidence? What possible reason?
Yeah, you'll get that. You'll get that when you go to court.
Okay, but that's not until September. So I mean, I love to solve this within the department. I have a very strong voice. I've been documenting my whole life. It's been going on because I've experienced these situations exactly. I love to hear exactly how my son, who can have bruises across his back from his father, have all charges dropped. There is a misunderstanding, but there is not something that can be resolved internally amongst ourselves. I'd really like to know how that works.
I have no idea what you're talking about, ma'am.
Okay, I'm talking about police injustice. So, I mean, I'll reach out to the district attorney. I'll reach out to the governor if I need to. I'll reach out to the state of California. I'll reach out to the news channels and everyone possible that I need to go ahead and make sure that this is heard because this is ridiculous what's happened.
I agree. If you feel that strong, and I think you should follow your heart and then do what you have to do. But we do everything by the law here. We follow rules, and we're not going to do anything to jeopardize your safety, your children's safety, or violate any laws just to pin something on you, like you were saying.
Yeah, definitely. So, I mean, okay, so I requested the records from the police department as far as what the statement was. How long does it take to typically receive those back?
What records are you talking about?
I asked for the police report on what was documented for this event.
When the police report is an active investigation, you won't get that. You'll get it through your attorney when you get your attorney through the public defender's office, or if you hire a private attorney, you could get it that way. But we will not release that information to you because it's an ongoing investigation.
Okay, so I guess I'll look for that document online. If not, I'll pick that up for the formal complaint. Okay. Sorry, what was your name?
Gomez.
Gomez. All right. Thank you so much, Gomez.
Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.